have to be your biggest fan. And when things are really tough...
Hey guys, it's Devi IT, and today I'm going to talk about whether you should buy a 15-inch MacBook Pro in 2020. The 15-inch MacBook Pro lineup can be divided into two categories, pre-USB-C and USB-C. For today, I'm going to be specifically talking about the USB-C 2016 15-inch MacBook Pro. So what are the specs compared to a 16-inch MacBook Pro? My MacBook Pro has a Core i7-6820HQ, while the 16-inch MacBook Pro has a Core i7-9750H and can have up to a Core i9-9980HK. Thanks to the improved airflow on the 16-inch MacBook Pro, it is able to cool the CPU much better and keep the CPU turboing for much longer. Here are the results from the Geekbench benchmark for all three of these models. As you can see, the multi-core score is almost twice as higher on the 16-inch MacBook Pro. Next is the keyboard. The 15-inch MacBook Pros have a butterfly keyboard that is infamous for failing often. Personally, I had to get my keyboard replaced because the Command key and the Z key weren't working properly. Now they do have a replacement program for these keyboards, but honestly, if you're looking for more reliability, this keyboard is not right for you. Next is the speakers. Now the 15-inch MacBook Pros are already famous for having impressive built-in speakers. They're almost as loud as some portable speakers. But the 16-inch MacBook Pro has improved it even further by including a 6-speaker system. It has deeper bass and is able to minimize vibrations while using the speakers by having force-canceling woofers. Lastly, is the battery. The 2016 15-inch MacBook Pro has a 76 watt-hour battery, while the 16-inch MacBook Pro boasts a 99.8 watt-hour battery. The 16-inch MacBook Pro battery is special because it's right below the legally allowed lithium polymer battery in airplanes at 100 watt-hour. While just browsing the internet and watching videos on YouTube, I never felt that the battery life was not enough. However, when doing more power-consuming tasks such as 4K video editing, I was never comfortable editing without my charger. That's why I carry around power banks for my laptop. You can watch a review of one of those in the video above. However, with the 16-inch MacBook Pro, I think I would be more comfortable editing on the go. In conclusion, unless you're comfortable buying a used one for a lot cheaper, I don't recommend buying the 15-inch MacBook Pro now. The 16-inch MacBook Pro is much better in every way, so I can't find a justifiable reason that you should ever buy a 15-inch MacBook Pro. The link to where you can buy the 16-inch MacBook Pro is in the description below. If you like this type of content, I'll be posting more in the future, so make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.